Hey guys! So, last week, me and my dad and my titos and titas went to Sagada. Sagada is in the mountain province, Philippines. Sagada is famous for its hanging coffins. You'll see that later in this video. We did a lot of hiking, exploring caves in nature, and visiting historical sites. Anyway, without further ado, here's the video. Hey guys, it's 3:45 a.m. and we are off to Sagada. So it's 5:47 a.m. and our first stop is here in Petron Enlec. We're just refueling. And ilang oras pa?
About 3 hours to Bago. 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours pa.
Balot 100, sir. Napakamura na kayo. Ito lahat 100.
Okay. Ano ba mais yan?
Yung ano po, yung nipit.
Ayan.
Salamat. Bigyan ko kayong pagkasira.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, our ilang stop na? Second stop, we're here at the Lion's Head here in Baguio. Here in Baguio. So this is another stop. We are in Atok. It's here. We are at the highest point of Atok Benguet. You can see here. We are at 7,400 above sea level. So we're here at Burias for another stop, and we're gonna have lunch.
We are waiting for our sumptuous lunch that we will partake this late. It's already late. It's already 2:30.
We're gonna travel 3 hours more after this. Back to the road. Dito. So we are already here in Sagada. So we just stopped by in a nearby petrol station, nearby gasoline station, while we are looking for our Airbnb. We're still navigating, and maybe we're just a few minutes away from the place we're staying. So we just arrived here in our Airbnb. Let's see inside. Before heading out, we have to register first at the Sagada Tourism Office to pay the environmental and tourism fee. We cannot enter some sites without paying this, as they will ask you to present the receipt. So, after securing the payment, we headed to the Sumaguing Cave. So we are now heading to the Lumiang Caves. It's a short walk, I think. 15 to 20 minutes walk. Whew, there are like very steep steps here going to Lumiang Cave. Okay, we're now here at the entrance to Lumiang Cave. There is the entrance to the cave. And in front of the entrance is this nice scenery. We just got out of Lumiang Cave. And we only got up to the entrance.
The second cave, burial site talaga, yung burial site andun tayo. Dito pa tayo, dito pa tayo.
Saan tayo?
Sa kabila. This is another burial site. But this one is separated from the others because we believe that those people who died there are all women. Those who died during giving childbirth, we separate them from others because we believe that it cause or it will only bring a bad omen to the community. Each mountain or beneath the mountain.
So we're back to the van. We only got to the entrances of the caves and we are already exhausted.
Not so exhausted. We still have enough energy to visit other sites here in Sagada.
Yeah. But if you want to explore the caves, you have to be like physically fit. So you will be crawling on all fours. So next we're going to
Kiltipan.
There are actually a lot of mines here, like this mine.
Dito pala yung Eco Valley. Ayoko na sa'yo!
So now we are in the Eco Valley.
Ako din!
So dito, talaga umi-echo.
Yeah.
Hello! Oh, that's so cool.
Aron!
Okay.
Sabi dito, Rick! Cardo! Aron! Dito, Rick! Pagod na ako! Sumagot ako din!
Ito na yung pinakamalapit, no? This is the closest.
So itong site na to, sir, marami pa kayo makikita ganito. Kaya lang hindi siya accessible.
Oh, harap kayo dito. Mga extra, pasok na.
Walang take to yan, direct.
Wala. Sayang ang film sa inyo. Oh, yung bida naman, syempre. Sama, yung bida, ito.
Ikot ka para may background ka. Ikot ka.
Okay, we just finished flying our drone. Now we're gonna go back up. Way over there. It's really nice. It's really nice. Whoa.
We are at Lake Danum, the only lake in this town or in this province.
So I'll try to go to the other side from there. Okay. So I'm walking out to the other side of the lake because there's less people there, and from there I will launch the drone. Bawal? Okay. I stopped flying the drone because the birds are trying to attack it. Because there's so much birds here, and I think it's better not to fly the drone here. Sorry for disturbing the birds. I didn't know. I didn't know there's so much birds here. Stop over here in the biggest plantation area in Sagada, Mangkayan. So, this is the favorite food of Bugs Bunny.